Hello everyone and welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video we're gonna dive into a very useful feature on your iPhone's Safari browser, which is called the reading list. This feature helps you keep track of articles and web pages you want to read later. So let's explore together what the reading list is, how it works, and what you find beneficial about it. First, let me explain what the reading list is. It is a separate section within Safari's bookmarks where you can save web pages and articles to read later. Think of it as a special place for content you want to come back to when you have more time. Although you can use other browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox, the reading list feature we're talking about is going to be in Safari this time. So how does it work? Now, imagine you're browsing the web and come across an interesting article. Maybe you don't have time to read it right now, but you definitely want to come back to it. Instead of bookmarking it or leaving the tab open, you can add it to your reading list. This way, you have all your saved articles in one organized place. Adding an article to your reading list is pretty simple. When you find a page you want to save, look for the share icon, which is going to be at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see an option to add to reading list. Once added, the article is saved and can be accessed anytime, perhaps even offline if you have set it up that way that it's going to be downloaded. This offline feature is particularly handy if you're on the go and might not have internet access later. But to access your reading list, you'll find an open book icon at the bottom of the Safari screen. This icon represents your bookmarks, so tap on it and you'll see two options: history and reading list, and I believe bookmarks as well. So the reading list is marked with a glasses icon, making it easy to identify. Clicking on this section will show you all the articles you've saved. One of the great things about the reading list is its simplicity and convenience, because you don't need to clutter your bookmarks with articles you only want to come back to once. Instead, you can keep your bookmarks for frequently visited sites only and use the reading list for temporary reading material. It keeps everything organized and easy to find. So this is how it works. Hope you found this explanation useful. Make sure to check out the channel for more reading list videos on the iPhone, and definitely subscribe to Foxtecc so we can see each other in the future. But for now, thanks a lot for watching.